day and night. So the coordinator position was very, frontline. It's like going from bedside nursing to a nursing manager role. The infection prevention coordinator was someone who rounded. I did a lot of audits on the floors. I had interactions with patients and with staff on a daily basis. When I went to the multi-site system director role, didn't have those interactions with frontline staff and with staff on a day-to-day basis outside of my team. There's a lot of meetings. There's a lot of focus on strategy and strategic planning and coming up with deadlines for your team and coming up with assignments. So it's truly a leader role. And at the beginning, I did miss being part of the front line and being out and about and rounding. However, I discovered that as the leader in that role, I was able to have more time to really build and paint a picture of how I want infection prevention within my division to look like. And we were able to really come up with some neat processes like a standardized HAI review process, coming up with a system on call IP structure. So, being in infection prevention, you're always on call, but limiting that to when you're on call because you have these additional resources. That's the beauty of being part of a system team. Really helped that team when we were going through this at that time to have more of a work-life balance because it allowed us not only to standardize our practices and standardize how we answer questions from the different facilities because each facility has a different makeup, right? So you're taking care of a different patient population. You're in a different geographic area. You have different resources available to you. You have different specialties that you care for. And having a standardized call system at that time really helped us become more of a team and become more cohesive. And that's a part of the job that I was very different, was, being over leading and planning for what the program looks like versus doing day-to-day tasks was a shift, but it was a shift that I embraced and that I really enjoyed and that I was ready for.